So during the last decades, the presence of female in the manufacturing sector and in sector with a high rate of innovation like the machine tool sector has increased. Also the number of girls that are enrolled into technical schools and the engineering university increased a lot during the last years. And this is a positive thing because in the future they could find an opportunity in our sector. For example, in our company in Italy that is a family-owned business, FICEP, we have a few important positions that are covered by women, and in the past they were covered just by men. I am talking about for example, some position in the technical department. Some ladies are programming our software of our machines. We have a purchasing manager that is a woman. And recently we did a few interviews to girls that wanted to work in the assembly area in order to go at the customer site for installation. So this is, I think, we have some signs that things are changing, and I think that this is positive for our industry. My role itself as president of UCIMU, that is the Italian Association of Machine Tools Manufacturers, was received by the public in Italy as a big news. And because it was the first time in history, I hope that being, a woman covering this position could help also in the future girls that are studying in engineering university to think about machine tool sector as an opportunity for the future. Recently, the president, let's say the principal of Polytechnic of Milano, is a woman, and this was the first time in history since it was founded 150 years ago. So this news, I think, that are the demonstration that things are changing, and if a girl or a lady is interested in technologies and in the use of technologies in our lives and in our country, it's a great opportunity to think about also machine tool sector as a possibility for a career in the future. It's important, though, that the Italian government take care also with strong investment in services and a proper, let's say, infrastructure that can help women to manage between their professional career and their family caring. Because nowadays, it's true that things are changing, but still ladies are the ones that take care of the family in most cases. So a support from the state would be very much appreciated.